Hello, friends. Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're just going to do something simple this Wednesday, and it's spaghetti. Just plain spaghetti. But I like my spaghetti a little on the chunky side. So, with that being said, we're going to turn on our stove, and we're going to start with just... Whoop, wrong burner. Okay, we're going to start with some onion and just a little bit of bell pepper. Depending on how much bell pepper you like and how much onions you like. So we're not necessarily doing any big measuring of anything here, okay? Just however much bell pepper and onion that you like, if you even like it, okay? So let's get that added in, and it's because I like chunks in my spaghetti, some kind of texture. All right, and I cut up like maybe, I don't know, 4 to 5 mushrooms. I'm going to throw that right in there too. I really love mushrooms. Okay, and then we're going to saute those up for a bit. And also I had put a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter in the pan. So I'm going to get this sauteed. Okay, now that my onions and stuff are just a little bit al dente, see, I just threw the hamburger right in on top of those because I want it all mixed together. Get that 1 pound of hamburger in here and fry that up. As your hamburger is cooking, get your pot of water boiling for your spaghetti noodles. Okay, so that way they're kind of done at the same time. Season your meat with whatever you like to season it with. My favorite is onion powder, and I am going to go with this roasted garlic and bell pepper, which I think it sounds appropriate for some spaghetti. Okay, friends, while you're boiling the water for your spaghetti noodles, don't forget to salt your noodles. Perfect. Okay, hamburger, it is done. Now, you want to strain the hamburger. You want to get that grease out. I don't want to see you with greasy spaghetti, okay? That's just not right. Okay, I drained it. Now, we're going to add 1 jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce. Okay, I'm going to get just a little bit of water in this. I'm going to shake out the rest of that sauce. And then literally I use just a very little. I mean, it still looks like there's sauce in there. I do not like runny spaghetti sauce. I want my sauce to stick to my noodles. And then we're just going to I'm going to bring this closer. I'm just going to give it a stir. We're going to want to heat this up and let the meat and the sauce cook well together while those noodles are still cooking. Okay, let's get that heated. Okay, well, this is busy. I'm going to throw some garlic bread on my pizzazz. Okay, do not forget, don't do it. Don't forget to season those noodles. I am just going to put some pepper on mine. I am going to, again, I love this stuff. Onion powder. And then, what am I going to do? Okay, I'm going to put some butter in there. Yep. There we go. And these are still hot. I just drained them. And then what we're going to do, we're just going to leave that butter melt in there. So I'm going to put the lid on this pot, and then let the butter melt. Okay, also, I'm adding olive oil, a couple squirts of olive oil. I had one time seen someone soak their noodles in the pots, and they just grabbed the noodles from the pot to put it in their plate. I don't know. Maybe that's the way it's done. But this is the way I do it, and I like it like this. I don't like wet noodles. Okay, friends, and there we go. We got some spaghetti, some sauce, and I just threw some garlic, that garlic toast I showed you, or garlic bread, and then you hit it with that. I got fresh Parmesan, but you can use mozzarella. You can use anything you want. Oh, side note. I do sometimes add little tiny chopped up pieces of celery in my spaghetti sauce, but I had none, otherwise I would have. But I just wanted to let you know that if you kind of was interested in trying it, or maybe you do it already. Let me know in the comments below. Do you put celery in your spaghetti sauce? Okay, friends. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. This is a delicious, budget-friendly meal that takes no time, just no time to fix, okay? Barely. Okay, so. Okay, sorry about that. I was looking at my dog. Okay, friends, keep on cooking.